Tired of complicated payment systems holding your business back? Let's unlock the secrets of seamless online transactions and understand what Stripe is all about in the next 90 seconds. At its core, Stripe is a technology company that provides a comprehensive suite of payment processing tools. Think of it as a powerful engine that allows businesses, big and small, to accept online payments with ease. One of the biggest advantages of Stripe is its global reach. It empowers you to accept payments from customers all over the world, breaking down geographical barriers and expanding your potential market. Stripe is incredibly versatile and supports a wide range of business models, whether you're running an e-commerce store, a subscription service, a marketplace, or something entirely unique. Stripe has the tools to handle your payment processing needs. Stripe simplifies the payment process for your customers, creating a smoother and more enjoyable experience. This leads to higher conversion rates and happier customers who are more likely to return. Beyond just processing payments, Stripe also provides valuable data and analytics. This allows you to track your sales, understand your customer behavior, and make informed decisions to grow your business. So, if you're looking for a reliable, flexible, and globally accessible payment processing solution, Stripe is definitely worth exploring. That Stripe Simplify. Be sure to like and subscribe for more bite-sized tech tutorials.